Creating Bible prayer videos have never been this easier. Within few minutes, you can now create up to 1 hour long videos, 50 minutes, 2 hours, 3 hours long form videos in minutes using AI. Back then, I used to see a lot of persons create long form videos. When I say 1 hour videos, 2 hours video, 3 hours videos, I used to think it's going to take a very long time to create. But now I create all these videos in less than 10 minutes. I'm done creating a video that is up to an hour video. Now on this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create this long form video using AI. And all these AI tools that we are going to be using, they are all free AI tools. You're not going to be paying for any tool. They are all free, and within minutes you'll be done creating your videos. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, this is Coach Tresh. On this channel I teach how to create Bible prayer videos using AI. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. Now, without wasting time, let's go straight to this video. Let me teach you how you can create over 1 hour video with AI in less than 10 minutes. Now you need to come to ChatGPT. Now once you get to ChatGPT, this is how you get your long script. So you're going to paste this prompt. So this is the prompt that I'm going to be pasting. I already wrote down the prompt. So you'll create a long prayer script for the title below, up to 1 hour long script. Then this is the title. I gave ChatGPT the title. They should be in 3 badges. Write a very long 1 hour script. Pause till I say continue. So the reason why I always do it like this is because if I tell ChatGPT to write a long script for me, no matter how long the script is, it's not going to be up to an hour. So I want this particular video to be up to an hour. So I'm telling ChatGPT to write the script for me batch by batch. So when I decide to combine all the batches together, it's going to be up to an hour. So I'm just going to send this, then I'll wait for ChatGPT to start generating the script for me. So you can also use Gemini AI or Gemini AI to do the same thing that I'm doing with ChatGPT, depending on the one that you want to use. Like I always say, I love to use ChatGPT for this. You can also use Claude AI for it. So we are using AI for everything concerning the video. So this is the first script. You can see how long this script is. So you are going to copy this first script, then you are going to say continue. So I want you to continue with the next script. Now I'm going to take my script to my notes and I'm going to paste the first. Now you can see that ChatGPT is done writing the second script. I'm going to come back here, scroll to the last part, and I'm going to copy the second script. Then I'm going to say continue. So ChatGPT is going to continue with the last, which is the third script. So as ChatGPT is writing it, I'll go back to my notepad and paste it. Copy it. So let's copy it. I'm just going to copy it like this. So now I'm going to take it to the text-to-speech tool to generate the audio. So I'm going to go to my browser and search for Gen AI Pro. So now I'm going to look for the voice that I want to use. Now I'm going to come to this place where they wrote Adam Dominant. Then I'm going to look for my desired voice that I would prefer. So I'm going to click on use. Then I'm going to reduce the speed to 0.85. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to delete the one that I did before. This is the previous one that I did. So I'm going to delete this one. Then I'm going to paste the new script. So this is my new script. So I just pasted it. So now I'm going to click on generate speech. Then you can see that it's processing. So we are going to wait for it to process. We are going to head over back to ChatGPT and we are going to generate. So we are going to tell ChatGPT to write 30 image prompts. 30 image prompts for this. So we are going to wait for ChatGPT to generate our image prompts for us. So now this is the image prompt that ChatGPT generated. So we are just going to copy the first one. Then we are going to paste it to ChatGPT. And we are going to wait for ChatGPT to generate the images for us. So we can also use Gemini AI to generate our images. So now to use Gemini AI, you're just going to go to Gemini AI, then paste your prompt, then click on generate, and you are going to give it about a few seconds, and it's going to generate the image for you. So let's wait for it to generate the image for us. This is it. Now this is the one that ChatGPT generated. So we're just going to click on save photos, save to photos. So this is how we are going to generate all our images. So let me generate all the images. Our audios are ready. Now we are going to go to download. Once you scroll to the side, you are going to see download, then you are going to download your audios. Now once you are done generating all your images, you are going to go to CapCut and click on new video. So once you click on new videos, you are going to go to photos and you are going to select all the pictures that you have generated. So let's select all the pictures. And once you are done selecting them, you are going to click on add. So we are going to wait for it to load. So these are all the images. So all we just need to do is to expand them a little and animate. Now this is how you do that. So let's go to the first one. So this is the first one. So we are going to expand it a little to about 10 seconds. Then you click on animate. Then you go to rock horizontally. Then it's going to animate. So you're just basically going to do that for all the pictures. So you go to expand and animate. You use rock horizontally. It makes it look like a video. So that's what we are going to be doing for all of them. Now once you are done with it, all you just need to do is to click on export. So we are going to export it first. I'm going to show you what you are going to do with it next. Now once you are done exporting, you're just going to click on done. So you are going to come back to new video, then you are going to import that video that the same video that you just exported. You are going to come here. Now let's cut out the CapCut logo from the end before we continue with what we want to do. So this is the logo. We don't want it to be showing. So we are going to click on delete. So we'll come to the front. Now the next thing you are going to do is to come over here, and the video, you can see that the video is just 10 minutes and we want it to be about 1 hour. So we are going to come to speed, then we are going to put it on 0.2. So you can see that it's giving us about 15 minutes. Now we are going to import. Before we import our audio, we'll go back to animations. So click on the video, go back to animations, then you look for the rock horizontally, then you are going to draw it to the end. So you can see how it is. It's looking like a real video. Now the next thing you are going to do is to go to your audio, go to your sound, then you are going to import your audio from your device. So now after adding my audio, you can see that it's even more than an hour. An hour is about 60 minutes and this is about 77 minutes, over an hour. So we are just going to add our auto captions to it. So you can see that it's over an hour. Before we add our auto caption, you will notice that our visuals, which is the video, is about 15 minutes. So all we just need to do right here is to try and duplicate it. So we are going to duplicate it so that it will get to every part. So we're going to click on it and we are going to click on duplicate. So once we click on duplicate, we are going to cut out some parts from it. So we are going to cut out some parts. So now this is it. So all we just need to do is to add in our captions, which is the auto caption. You use your CapCut to add your auto caption, then the video is ready. So once you are done with that, you just click on export and your long form video, over an hour video, is ready. So this is it. So if you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section. You can drop your questions in the comment section. If you have any video you want me to record, let me know. I'm going to do a detailed video for it. So thank you. I'm going to see you in my next one.